trees are green, and roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies are blue, the clouds are white, the bright, pleasant day, the dark, secret night. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so bright in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? Then they say,
你猜猜看，
I love you. I can cry. I watch them grow. They learn much more than I ever know. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful